Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, October 11th, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Ether to Tether. This is a daily time frame chart on the Zondacrypto exchange. So what do we have here is the horizontal technical resistance and support levels. The most important technical support is located at 1,378 tethers. The other one is 1,536, and the newest technical resistance is 1,745, just above the 100 periods moving average. There is a visible bearish cross with 100 periods moving average crossing 200 periods moving average, which is considered very bearish. So market reversed twice from the level of 1,745. We have the bearish reversal here. We have the bearish reversal here, and currently we are approaching the key short-term technical support, 1,536. And then if there is a breakout to the downside, we can approach even the lows of the 2023 located at 1,375. So please keep an eye on the current market behavior, on the current conditions, because this level here is the key short-term technical level for sure. So we might have the let's say a test or even a breakout of this level very soon. In order of if we take a look at the trend lines, of course, then let me just let's play some ray here. You can see this is the typical trend line. So we got the high, and this is the first point of the attachment. So the bulls tried to rally above this trend line, but that was considered as a failed breakout, okay, or false breakout above trend line, of course. So we have the reversal. We are still trading below the trend line, and we are approaching the key technical support. One more thing I didn't told you about. If you take a look at this situation here and this situation here, it might be considered as a double top. Double top is always bearish formation on the markets. So if we see something like this here, that's another indication that the market is being controlled by bears, by supply, basically, right? So we have a potential double top. We have a bearish cross of the moving averages 100 and 200, which are very important. We have a very big pin bar, another very big pin bar. We have a rejection of the previous local high. We got the rejection of the trend line resistance, and the market still trades below the trend line. So it all looks like the market is under the control of the bears, and sooner or later we should have the test of 1,536 and then 1,378. Okay, so this is the analysis of the Ether to Tether at Zondacrypto exchange. Thank you very much for listening to this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So for now, take care and bye bye.